It is his bike. We are running out of schedule already. ఏంటి సంగతి?
Take around 4 hours.
Good morning, YouTube. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So it's been long that I have taken up this long ride again after my golden quadrilateral. So it's been an year, no sorry, more than an year because of the COVID. So today I will be riding to Tirupati. In the meanwhile, we will go down. I have just mounted each and everything on my MT-15 Alina. So I'm all set to leave. I was supposed to leave at 6 o'clock, but now it is already 8:30. So Arvind, who is coming from Hyderabad, is about to reach half of the way. So I need to leave as soon as possible. So we are all set to ready, and this is my ride for today. So there is top box, this is all the luggage. I have my clothes and everything and laptop in that, and there is a tank bag for all the electronic accessories. So yeah, I'm already getting delayed, so let's start. So let's move. Running late already. సరే నేను వెళ్ళొస్తాను. ఓకే. వెళ్ళొస్తాను. Officially I have started off my ride to Tirupati. Fuck man, it's raining. It's drizzling already. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with the weather, but let's just hope it shouldn't rain. Why God, why? If I would have started at 6 o'clock, I should be in the middle of the highway somewhere nearer to Vijayawada, but let's not lose hope. जा रे भाई. I'm only touching the national highway, won't be diverting from anywhere because I don't think it is worth taking up a risk. I don't know what the time is exactly. Let me see. Fuck man, it's 9, so I will reach around 12, and from there it will take more than 6 hours. I'll see you guys in the middle once I complete proper distance, because I'm already running late, and I cannot literally concentrate on vlogging and camera, because there will be nincompoops coming out of nowhere, because that is what happened with me the last time. I don't want to take any chance. So yeah, see you guys again maybe near Vijayawada. Let's see, hope so. Bye bye. So looks like I'm in and around Vijayawada. Roads are quite good only after entering Vijayawada. So before that I faced a lot of hell because the roads were completely shit. Some patches were good only for like 1 or 2 kilometers, but later on there were so many potholes and construction works going on, because Vijayawada is going to be it is a capital city of Andhra Pradesh. So roads are quite good in Vijayawada as of now, but I'm still waiting to get on to a proper 6-lane highway. So I didn't take a single break anywhere in between. I'm riding and riding and riding from Rajahmundry. So I started off at around 8:30 from my place, and now It is 11:30. I covered almost 180 kilometers plus. So far so good. In between some shit happened. Shit is nothing but the rain, which I completely hate. I got wet in the rain. I'm so sorry. I got drenched in rain, and I didn't stop because I already got drenched within 2 minutes of time. So I thought of continuing, so I continued, and here I am. So Arvind has started from Suryapet. It is around 140 kilometers from there to Vijayawada, so he will take around another 1 hour to reach Vijayawada. So in the meanwhile I have migraine issues. I need to stop somewhere, so I called up one of my friend who is coming all the way from Machilipatnam. So I will be meeting him. I'll have a chai and take a break for half an hour or so and wait for Arvind to join me. So we both will start off from Vijayawada once he comes back. So that's it. Roads are quite nice after so long. The ambience and the beauty of Vijayawada I can see because roads are good. Otherwise, going on a trip on shitty roads is hell. I'm not a big fan of off-road, but yeah. So the reason I'm not doing rides these days is I'm concentrating more on my career because of COVID-19 pandemic. I lost my job and I joined into another job, and again I lost that job because of the layoff, and now I'm figuring it out with I'm going on a full-time position. I'm working on a full-time position, as well as I'm planning to set up a business for myself, so that there should be some income for myself. Otherwise uncertainties happen, and if anything goes wrong in terms of health or anything, I should be I should be able to have some money in my hands. I should be financially stable. So I will plan rides, but not so early. I'll take a break in between and I'll plan a ride again. So I'm even trying to concentrate on YouTube, but there is very less time even to rest, so I'm unable to edit the videos as well. I have a couple of vlogs, but there is no time to edit. I know it is an excuse, but honestly, Urban Cruiser. Oh, there is a new name for Vitara Brezza. Oh, okay, fuck, it's a Toyota Urban Cruiser. My goodness. So looks like Maruti Suzuki has taken the Innova model, and the Toyota people have taken the Baleno, which is Glanza. Toyota Glanza and Baleno both are same, and Vitara Brezza and this car both are quite similar. Okay, nothing new except the front grille, which is almost similar to the Fortuner. Looks like Toyota doesn't have proper money to get the imports, because currently imports have been stopped and they are imposing more amount. ये साले अजीब है रे. అన్నా పీవీపీ ఓకే ఓకే.
లెఫ్ట్ తిరగండి, టీవీకి వచ్చింది.
ఓకే,
డెడ్ ఎండ్ లో లెఫ్ట్ తిరిగితే కరెక్ట్గా కిలోమీటర్ ఆర్ఆర్ దర్బార్.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే
దర్బార్ పక్క నుంచి వెళ్ళండి.
ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ అన్న. ఇండికేటర్లు వాడండి అమ్మా, మరి మబ్బుల్లాగా. Looks like I have to take a U-turn. जाना ही नहीं है किसी को भी यार. నువ్వు కూడా so I'll take a tea break here. I'm waiting for Sikandar to come. I'll send the live location and then rest of the thing we'll look after. Yeah, see you guys. So looks like Arvind is having some issue with his bike. We all started towards the place where he just stopped. These guys are already coming from behind. The roads are super duper neat. Oh, Arvind, running behind the schedule. Looks like we won't be able to make it till 6 o'clock to Tirupati. ఏమైంది? भाई थोड़ा सा साइड दे दो ना. It is his bike and he is Arvind. We are running out of schedule already. Okay, so once we start from here, I'll keep on updating. In the meanwhile, we'll take another break. ఏంటి సంగతి?
It will take around 4 hours maybe. 4 hours తీసుకోవచ్చు.
ఏంటి?
బ్యాటరీ డిశ్చార్జ్ అయిపోతుందంట. కొత్త బ్యాటరీ పెట్టారు కానీ ఛార్జ్ అవ్వట్లేదంట. కొత్త బ్యాటరీ పెట్టినా ఉపయోగం ఉండదు.
2 hours later.
So after around 2.5 hours of struggle, we managed to do something with the R15. All set? Okay. So thanks to this guy. Anna, thanks Anna. चलो. ठीक है. वारदी. पेट्रोल डलाना है. आधा टैंक है और पहले डलाने से नेल्लोर तक मार ले सकते आराम से. ఫుల్ అన్న మామూలు పెట్రోల్ ట్యాంక్ ఫుల్ అన్నీ మనకి ఆపండి సరిపోతుంది అంతా 500. ఓకే ఓకే కూల్. ఏమైంది?
అదే నెంబర్ ఏంటి అని ఎనీ స్పెషల్? ఏం స్పెషల్ లేదు, అంతా ఉన్నాయి.
420 వేయించుకోవాల్సింది. 100 ఇస్తా. सिकंदर बाबा की जय.
ला 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 ला.
Oh my god, what a view, what a view. Wow.
such a beautiful road. So that is Krishna River, and this one is a newly constructed bridge. This was the first time I'm riding on this, but it's quite, a kind of mixed feeling. I didn't sleep well since like almost 2 days. What a road, man. There is Arvind and Vamsi. So I'm expecting Arvind to keep a good pace, otherwise I don't think we can manage. Hope so, his bike should do fine. Otherwise भाई लगने वाले हैं यार, हाइबरनेटम अपन इनका. This is one of the largest bus stations of AP, maybe I guess India. Okay, looks like Arvind is gonna lead now. Okay, so we are checking into the 6-lane highway which directly goes to Chennai, the road which I have fallen in love with every single time. Like twice or thrice I have done on this road, maybe more than that. సరే బాయ్, జాగ్రత్త. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ కమింగ్. సరేనా? హ్యాపీ బాయ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. 90-100. అంటే తను వస్తున్నాడు కదా అని చెప్పి చూస్తున్నా, గుంటూరులో నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోతాడు కదా అని. పేస్ మెయింటైన్ చేసుకుని ఉంచు అలాగే. నువ్వు మధ్యలో అటు ఇటు అయినా ప్రాబ్లం లేదు నాకు, కానీ నాకు కనిపించు అంతే, నాకు దగ్గరలో ఉండదు. ఓకేనా? ఎగ్జాక్ట్ 250 కిలోమీటర్స్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి నెల్లూరు. ఓకేనా? డన్. ఓకే. ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ అరౌండ్ 250 kilometers to Nellore. He said that we gonna stop at 180 kilometers for hydration. So yeah, just 180 kilometers from here. Looks like it would take around 2 hours max. Good evening guys. An update in the middle. We didn't eat anything since afternoon and we are riding and it's quite some time. We took a break and it's almost 6 p.m. in the evening, and we are still on the way to Nellore. It's a pleasant weather now, and apart from that I might sound robotic because it's been 30 hours. I have slept peacefully. It was just ride anxiety. That's Arvind. It's quite unexpected that he's maintaining a really good pace.
Thousand years later.
And again a good morning, and it is Monday. So yesterday I tried vlogging but it started raining, and today morning we went and sourced a welder. Some shitty thing happened with my bike where I broke the clamp, where I have fixed the top rack. He helped us really. He took just $100 and made it done. The packing is almost done. I have cleaned the helmet, this helmet, and that helmet is already cleaned. And this is my luggage, my tank bag, my top box, everything is ready. So this guy started working, Shriram, and he already started his work like quite some time ago. Okay, he's seriously working. Door ka meeting 1:30 ah?
1 o'clock. We have a room till 1 o'clock.
We have room till 1 o'clock. So when are we?
We can say we are checking out late. Checkout formalities ani chuskomanade. If it's done, we can leave.
Okay.
See, everything is ready. Everything is packed, almost packed.
Okay. So it is 10:50 already. So we have just only 2 hours left. Perks of working from home.
Yeah, bro. Totally.
Yeah, we have few things left. We'll put it in the bag. So I'll see you guys directly on the bike before I leave.
So all set to leave, right? Cool.